guys, TJ here with another video. If you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I release new videos. So today's video is going to be about everything that I have on my desk. I recently upgraded my YouTube studio and I got a brand new desk, and I also got some new peripherals to go on my desk. So I want to talk a little bit about what I bought, where I got it from, how much it cost, and let's get right into it. The main highlight of the desk is going to be the new iMac 2018 iMac Retina 4K display, and I'm going to go over the details of it. But it is a 2.4 gigahertz quad core 7th generation Intel Core i7 processor, turbo boost up to 4.5 gigahertz, 8 gigs of RAM, but I'm going to upgrade it to 64 gigs here in a couple of weeks. It has a 1 terabyte Fusion drive, Radeon Pro 575 with 4 gigabytes RAM memory, video RAM, excuse me. I also have the Magic Mouse 2, the Magic Trackpad 2, and I have the Magic Keyboard with the numeric keypad. Now, I did purchase all the peripherals, the Apple peripherals together, so it was all included in the bundle that I purchased. I don't plan on upgrading those right now. The trackpad, I'm going to do a separate video on the trackpad because it's just that awesome. I didn't really think that I was going to need the trackpad. I just went ahead and purchased it, you know, since it was with the bundle. But I have not touched this mouse since I've purchased this computer because I can just use the trackpad for everything. Like I said, I'm gonna do a separate video about the trackpad itself. So let's go across the desk, and we'll just start on the right and go to the left and just tell everything that's on the desk. So the first thing that I have on my desk is the Blue Yeti microphone. So this audio that you're hearing actually right now is through the Blue Yeti microphone. I'm actually recording it on my computer. You can see that in the background. This is the whiteout version. They have them in all different colors. I just chose the whiteout version to kind of go with the aesthetic of my computer desk. The next thing that I have on my desk is the Apple pencil. So I use this pencil pretty regularly, especially when I'm out on the go, or if I'm taking notes, or if I'm trying to look up some, do some video content, and I'm trying to take notes and research different things like that. But the reason I have it on my desk is because I have 2 of them, and when I'm here at my desk, and I like to do sketches. I'm starting to do some graphic designing for my product line that's going to be coming out at the end of this year, and I'm also I also use it for just drawing. When I sit here and I like to draw, I just like having the Apple Pencil handy. So this stand makes it really easy to keep up with it. It's not rolling around on the desk. I can just kind of set it down right there. And I normally keep this at my desk at all times, just one Apple Pencil. The next thing that I have is the Windows Share, Easy Share 4 terabyte external memory. So my computer has 1 terabyte of memory, but my office upstairs, I have it has 1 terabyte of memory as well. But whenever I'm doing videos, or if I'm filming things, I like to put everything on the external hard drive. That way I have a backup of it, 1, and then 2, I can transport it from computer to computer. Now, setting up the Easy Share or any external hard drive for a Mac to PC is not necessarily like the easiest thing to do. I can make a separate video about how to do that, because it took me a little bit of research to figure out exactly how to set up the external hard drive and kind of slice it up where you can use, I think I have to use between my Windows and my Mac, I have 2 terabytes, and then 1 terabyte I have for my Mac, the Time machine where it backs up the Mac, and then I have 1 terabyte just specifically for the Mac. So if you want to see that video, just put a like on the video, put a comment down saying that you want that video, and I will make it. The next thing that I have that's kind of hidden is the Amazon Echo. So I use my Amazon Echo device to play music, to talk to sometimes when I'm down here and I'm lonely. But I do use my Amazon Echo quite a bit when I'm down here, especially if I'm working, doing some editing. I turn on some music. I can just, say, Alexa, play whatever.
Here's Whatever by Godsmack on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. So like I said, that's what I do normally while I'm sitting down here. I can just sit here and do it. I don't have to lift up my fingers from the keyboard and actually do that. Now I am going to program it to control the lights in the studio and to control a few things, especially like my LED lights. I don't know if you can see them, but my LED lights, I'm going to be able to control those with my Echo device. If you will, if I say the other word, it's going to start talking to me, so I'm not going to say that. The next thing I have is the Montauk vertical MacBook stand. So my MacBook I always keep on my desk unless I'm going out, then I put it into my camera bag. But what I like about the MacBook stand is when I get done using the MacBook, I can just set it up in that stand. If I want to connect it to my TV, I have HDMI ran over here so I can hook it up to my television and view my MacBook on my television. But I do like having it on my desk. Now I like the stand because I like the way that it looks on the desk. It looks really nice and it kind of gives that cool level. And plus I have my Black Panther pops right in front of it. So that brings me to the next thing. So I have been, like, I guess asleep in the cave because I did not even know that these Funko Pop things existed. So on my desk right now I have Aquaman, I have Killmonger, and I also have Black Panther as well as Tron. So the whole essence of my desk is built basically on Tron Legacy. I love Tron Legacy. I've seen the movies so many times before, and I just like I like the blue, the electric blue light that the Tron land has. So that's pretty much my inspiration for this desk was Tron. So I had to get a Funko Pop Tron Legacy. Also up there I have Akeem from Coming to America because it's one of my favorite movies. So that's pretty much it for the Funko Pops. There will be more. I'm going to get a collection of them for my movie room, which is right outside this door, and I'm going to get like my I'm going to get all of the Avengers, and I'm also going to get the DC characters as well. The next thing I want to talk about is the LED light strips. So I got the these LED light strips, and I put a link to all this stuff in the description section below. But the LED strips that I have actually come with this remote. And with this remote, you can basically kind of set up a custom light show if you wanted to. Also, you can change the different colors. So as you can see, it changed to red, blue, green, yellow, orange, pink. It's kind of a pastel blue, and then my Tron blue that I normally keep it on. So it's pretty cool to have. I just got the remote. I keep it in my little Alex drawer set here. I really like this Alex drawer set because it does provide storage. I've never really had a desk that had a lot of storage in it, and this provides me with 5 drawers on either side, so I can put all of my camera equipment. I do have my some of my lenses kind of displayed up here on the wall. I don't have any over there yet, but I do have some more lenses in my camera bag that I'm going to start storing up there. That way they're quickly accessible, and if I need to, you know, take them on the go, I can just grab them off the shelf and put them in my camera bag. So that is pretty much it for my my desk. I mean, it's nothing like super duper fancy. Oh, I did miss something. So I also have the acrylic headphone stand. I don't know if you can see that. It's way over there. But the acrylic headphone stand, now I really like that because it does display the headphones. I do have a set of Beats headphones that I got many moons ago, and I use those when I'm sitting here and I'm doing my editing. That's a good thing about this Blue Yeti microphone, is that I can actually plug my headphones in and listen to my audio as I'm recording. So that's really cool, and you know, it was like 10 bucks. You know, it's nothing really fancy. The only thing that I will warn you, if you have a wooden desk like I do, make sure you file down the corners. Sometimes the corners are a little sharp on the acrylic and it will scratch your desk. So if you file the corners down, you should be good to go. So I think that's it. I don't have anything else to show you with my desk. I do plan on adding a few more things. I really want to be kind of minimalistic. I don't want to have too much stuff on here, but I want to make sure I have enough stuff, you know, everything that I use on my desk. If you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you get notifications whenever I release new videos. Thanks guys for watching.